Friends, this is a quick review to tell you how the sliding doors handle works. So normally the handle comes with this kind of a switch. So when you press the switch, this thing comes down. Many a times when it is giving you trouble, it sometimes stays down or it stays up. You are not able to press it down. Um, to repair it, all you need to do is just remove these two screws, the screws like this. Okay, I've already removed them using this kind of a screwdriver. After that, you just rotate it and it will come out of this groove. Let me rotate it. Yes, so basically it is just fitted like this. So just rotate it, take it out, check whether the spring is working properly. Sometimes this assembly is not fitting in that groove, so just fit it properly so that it moves like this. If the spring is still giving you trouble, then maybe you can remove it. You can use a screwdriver once again to remove this assembly. The spring will get exposed. You can oil the spring if needed, or maybe replace the spring if it is broken already. And then this should keep sliding like this. Okay, so once this starts sliding, you can once again put it back into place like this. So first put this side, after that see whether this side goes in. Keep rotating as long as it doesn't go in. That's it. And finally you just have to uh, you know put the screws on. So this is the screw, right? So you just need to put the screw on like this, and once this screw is in place, the other screw can also be put on. That's it. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram.
ये है अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव।